In this problem, we're looking at convertible bonds. We have on January 2nd, 2019, Lindsay Corporation issued $800,000 of 8% convertible bonds at par. The bonds mature in 10 years and pay interest semi-annually on the June 30th and December 31st. Each $1,000 bond could be converted into 26 shares of the company's $2.50 par value common stock. Alternatively, Lindsay has the right to settle the bonds in cash instead of issuing common stock. Similar bonds without the conversion feature would carry a 10% stated interest rate. And we need to prepare the journal entries to record the issuance of the bond. So I just pulled over our kind of fill in the blanks and our cash payment and bond price that we have done in previous videos. And so we can fill this information in. Face value, $800,000. Stated interest rate is 8%. Market looks like is 10. Total payments, 20, because it's 10 years to mature and it's semi-annual payments. So that gives us a bond price of $70,302. And the reason that I wanted to get that, it says that they're at par. So for our journal entry, our cash and our bonds payable are going to be that $800,000, and we're not going to have a discount, but we are going to have a discount, and that's going to align up with additional paid-in capital because of the conversion feature. So because the bonds can be cash settled, equity recognition must be provided, and you could use the present value tables to figure out the present value of the principal and then also the present value of those interest payments, but we can also just do it this way in Excel using the present value function, and then just subtract the face value and the bond price to get the discount on the bond payable of $99,697.68. So then in journal form, this would be a debit to cash, a debit to our discount on the bond payable, a credit to our bond payable, and a credit to our additional paid-in capital. And I'm actually going to move these. So our cash is equal to the face value, and our bonds payable is equal to that face value. Our discount on the bonds payable is equal to this difference that we calculated, and our additional paid-in capital is the same. And just one thing that I want to caution you on is that when you use the present value function in Excel, it is going to give you the 100% most accurate calculation in terms of cents, because it's using the present value tables not with just the limit of like 6 decimals but unlimited decimals. And so when you do problems like in a platform, it might say that this answer is off in terms of the cents, and that would just be because we're using the Excel function that's giving us the most accurate answer rather than just using 5 or 6 decimals when we're calculating that present value.